Now, this is the challenging part. How would I feel if I had an amazing, successfully good day today? How would I feel if I'd mastered my day today? How would greatness feel? How would abundance feel? How would health feel? I'm going to teach my body emotionally what the future feels like before it's happened. That means you're not waiting for your wealth to feel abundance. You're not waiting for your success to feel power. You're not waiting for your new relationship to feel love. You're not waiting for your healing to feel wholeness. You're not waiting for the synchronicities or the mystical moment to feel awe or wonder. All I'm going to do is have you come aware of your old self. Familiar with that old self, so aware, so familiar that you don't go unconscious in the whole of your day. Then we're going to become familiar with firing and rewiring circuitry to condition your body emotionally into a future. As an experiment, we want to see, as you go from one personality to another, can you catch yourself in your waking day? Enjoy, guys.